Upbeat music plays. Cut to a bright, clean kitchen, with the PurSteam on the left and Newbealer on the right. Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make purchasing decisions smarter than your high school history teacher. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with two heavyweights, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner. It's like a battle of the steamy titans. So, grab your popcorn. Wait, no, don't eat while cleaning. And let's steamroll through this comparison. First up, let's talk about price. The PurSteam comes in at $99, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate its value for money, noting its lightweight design and effectiveness. On the other hand, the Newbealer is priced at $104. While it's slightly more expensive, customers love its versatility and efficiency, making it a worthwhile investment. So if you're on a budget, PurSteam might be your guy. But Newbealer also has its fans for good reasons. Next, we're diving into cleaning power. The PurSteam heats up in just 30 seconds, which is impressive, and it's chemical-free, making it pet-friendly. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness on various surfaces, but some found it less effective on furniture. Meanwhile, the Newbealer takes the lead, heating up in just 20 seconds. Reviewers have praised its powerful steam pressure that effectively removes dirt and grime. Both mops excel in their own way, but the Newbealer edges out with its quicker heating time. Let's talk versatility. The PurSteam is a 10-in-1 wonder, allowing you to clean floors, carpets, and even use it as a handheld steamer. Reviewers love its multifunctionality for various cleaning tasks. The Newbealer is also versatile, featuring 3 adjustable steam modes, making it effective for different cleaning needs. Customers appreciate the variety of attachments it comes with, making both products champions in this category. Now onto water tank capacity. The PurSteam doesn't specify its tank size, but comes with a handy measuring cup and funnel for easy filling. Reviewers have mentioned that it's suitable for quick cleaning sessions. The Newbealer has an 8.5 fluid ounces tank, giving you about 10 to 25 minutes of cleaning time. This makes it a better option for longer cleaning sessions, as some users have found the PurSteam's tank to be on the smaller side. Finally, let's discuss accessories. The PurSteam comes packed with various tools like brushes and an angled nozzle, making it a Swiss Army mop. Reviewers appreciate the range of attachments that enhance its cleaning capabilities. The Newbealer also offers an impressive set of attachments, including a gap brush for those hard-to-reach areas. Both mops provide excellent accessories that users love. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. The PurSteam is praised for its affordability and versatility, while the Newbealer is favored for its quick heating and powerful steam. Each product has garnered positive reviews, but potential buyers should consider their specific cleaning needs. So who wins the steam battle? If you're looking for versatility and speed, the Newbealer might just take the crown. But if you want a solid, reliable cleaner that won't break the bank, the PurSteam is your buddy. At the end of the day, it's all about what fits your cleaning vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product comparisons. And remember, whether you choose PurSteam or Newbealer, steam on, my friends. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it steamy.